Alright, what is up YouTube, Zain Rahman, and in today's video I'll be talking about my diet ideologies. Okay, so what is the thought, reasoning, theory, and maybe the science that goes behind the way that I eat. And before I begin, not a doctor, not a certified nutritionist or dietitian, and I certainly don't have an eating disorder. So all you influencers who are like people who died, they have eating disorders. No, you can fuck off and believe what you want, and you don't have to believe anything I say, but you can listen to what I have to say. All right, so there are four elements that go into my diet ideology. Okay, so I'll go into all of them. I'll start with the base or the foundation of my diet, right? Which is a bodybuilding diet. So I try to eat like a bodybuilder because a bodybuilder eats to be lean and also hold a maximum amount of muscle. So that is the look that I'm chasing, and eating this way is sustainable for me. I enjoy eating this way, so I get in quality carbs, fats, and protein in every meal. So I don't really cut out on any of the macros, so that works well for me because I don't really want to cut anything out. And it is sustainable, so I start my day with eggs, and then later on in the day, most of the time I'm having chicken. Okay, so quality proteins, simple carbs, complex carbs, good fats. All right, so not cutting any of those out. All of them have a job to do. The carbs and fats are for functionality and fuel. The protein is for recovery and muscle growth, and because it's anabolic, it keeps your immunity up. Okay, so that is the first bit about my diet ideology. Next up is the vertical diet. The vertical diet was devised by Stan Efferding, who's documented it in the form of a book, and it's too complex to be explained in a short video. Okay, but I'll get into some details of it. Like when Stan puts someone on the vertical diet, the first thing that he wants to put in place is their sleep. So he wants them to get a good amount of quality sleep. Okay, then he wants their stress levels to be low. You don't function optimally, you don't perform optimally when you're too stressed out. So that is something that Stan works on. Okay, and we'll talk a bit about the nutritional part of it. Okay, so basically, what my idea of the vertical diet is, and I might do a video later on explaining my idea of the vertical diet in more detail, is that the human is on top of the food chain, and in order to function optimally, we consume all nutrients that are below us on the food chain. Okay, so all macronutrients, all micronutrients, and so Stan is big on quality proteins that have a good micronutrient density. Not just lean proteins like chicken breast, white fish, but if you're on a cut, if you're trying to lose weight, lose body fat, then yeah, you can have those lean proteins. But what he recommends for optimal functionality is a lot of red meat and fatty fish like salmon, quality fats, majorly those who are that are high in omega 3s, olive oil, nuts, fish, fatty fish like salmon, like I said, red meat. Okay, and also he's big on rice. He's big on these foods that are easily absorbable, like rice, like red meat. They can be absorbed very easily. They are very bioavailable. Okay, so the idea behind the vertical diet is that you get in all the micronutrients and macronutrients that are below you on the food chain, and that allows you to function optimally. You keep track of your micros like sodium, potassium, and I don't really go into tracking each of these, but I try to get in my sodium and potassium from salt and green vegetables, bananas. Okay, so that's what it's about. All right, like I said, the vertical diet is too complex to be able to explain in a short video. Okay, and those who follow it, they really like the way they feel, the way they function, the way they perform. And I have felt like incorporating elements of the vertical diet into my diet. I was feeling and performing better. I was stronger. So yeah, it's great and something that you can look into. Okay, next up is flexible dieting. Now, the video I did previous to this one was about flexible dieting, and that is what gave me the idea of doing this video, explaining more of my diet ideology and what is the thought process that goes into the way I eat, and how did I come up with this diet. All right. So next up, flexible dieting, and check out the video that I did before this one if you haven't seen it already, where I explain the flexible diet in more detail, and why I think it is great and why I think it is the best diet and everyone should be on this diet. All right. So do check out that video. I'm putting it on the end screen to this video. Okay, and so basically you eliminate nothing. Okay, you don't demonize any food groups, you don't cut anything out, as long as it meets your daily calorie intake. Okay, whatever that intake is that works for you with respect to where you're trying to get in terms of your shape and fitness. Okay, so you don't cut out anything, you don't cut out carbs, bread, you don't need to cut out sugar, but if you do, that's great. You don't cut out fats, or it's not like a carnivore diet where you're only consuming animal products. So you eat whatever the hell you want, but you just should be within your calorie intake limit for every day, and you don't need to cut everything out. Okay, so that was the third element of my diet ideology. The last one is carb cycling. So I maintain a carb cycle. Okay, so some days I'm having higher carbs, some days I'm on pretty low carbs, and like I said before in previous videos, I'll do a video later on explaining what a carb cycle is, and how it can help you, and how do you maintain, and how do you devise your own carb cycle. Okay, so that is the fourth element of my diet ideology, carb cycling. Okay, so the amount of carbs I consume in a day, they change every day, right? And it has benefits, so it is what it is. Okay, so I'll leave this video at this, explaining more about uh, how I eat, and why I eat a certain way, and what are the ideas that go into the way that I eat. If you want to have a closer look at how I eat in a day, I have several full day of eating highlights on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow. My handle is Radio Protector. You have the link in the description. Okay, so check out my Instagram. I have some of my workouts there as well. I have days of eating and a lot of other information there on my highlights about health and nutrition and training. So give me a follow, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.